Did you know that over 1 million books are self-published on Amazon KDP each year, but only a fraction achieve significant sales? Today we uncover how to beat the odds and conquer these hurdles. Meet Anderson. Anderson had always dreamt of becoming a best-selling author. He had countless manuscripts but never felt they were good enough. Anderson's biggest challenge was self-doubt and perfectionism. One day, Anderson stumbled upon a psychological study that showed how 70% of successful authors started with less than perfect drafts. He decided to adopt the principle of progress over perfection. The actionable tips you can use from Anderson's journey is: set realistic goals. Anderson set weekly writing goals instead of daily ones, making his workload manageable. Use beta readers. He gathered feedback from beta readers to improve his manuscript, which reduced his fear of imperfection. Practice self-compassion. Anderson practiced self-compassion exercises, reducing his self-doubt and improving his productivity. Join writer communities. Engaging with writer communities online and offline helped Anderson realize that every writer faces self-doubt, making him feel less alone. Mindful techniques. Anderson used mindfulness techniques to stay focused and calm during the writing process and boosting his creativity. If you want to delve deeper into understanding and prospering on Amazon KDP, check out my Udemy course, How to Excel on Amazon KDP. The link is in the description. Moving on, meet Taylor. Taylor had a fantastic book but struggled with visibility. Marketing was a foreign language to him. Taylor attended a marketing workshop and learned about the importance of keywords, book descriptions, and leveraging social media. His marketing strategy transformed overnight. Taylor used tools like self-publishing titans to find the best keywords for his book, which improved its visibility on Amazon. He crafted compelling book descriptions using storytelling techniques, enticing potential readers. Taylor built a social media presence around his author brand, engaging with his audience, and created a loyal fan base. Taylor started an email list and used it to connect with readers, offering exclusive content and updates. He collaborated with other authors and influencers in his genre, so that expanded his reach and gained him new readers. Meet Morgan. Morgan's a full-time mum and a part-time teacher. She struggled to find time to write. Her biggest challenge was time management. Morgan discovered the Pareto principle, also known as the 80-20 rule, which states that 80% of the results come from 20% of the efforts. She applied this principle to her writing progress, focusing on the most important tasks. Morgan identified a task that contribute most to her progress, such as writing and editing, and prioritizing them. Morgan reduced the time spent on less impactful activities like excessive social media use and delegated household chores when possible. Morgan regularly reviewed her task list to ensure she was focusing on the most effective activities, allowing her to make continuous improvements. She also grouped similar tasks together, such as research and admin work, and this was to streamline her workflow and save time. Morgan used time blocking not just for writing, but also for essential activities like marketing and self-care, ensuring a balanced approach to her schedule. These stories show that overcoming self-publishing challenges on Amazon KDP is about practical strategies and mindset shifts. Anderson taught us to overcome self-doubt by setting realistic goals and seeking feedback. Taylor showed us the importance of mastering marketing to increase book visibility. And Morgan demonstrated how effective time management with the Pareto principle can help balance writing with other life responsibilities. Remember, every successful author started with a challenge. Believe in yourself and apply these strategies to your own journey. Subscribe to my channel for concise, actionable KDP strategies designed for maximum learner retention. Empower your self-publishing journey with story-driven insights and gain a strategic advantage in your genre. What's the biggest challenge you're facing in your self-publishing journey? Share your experiences in the comments below. Now, the 7 keyword takeaways from this video are: strategic planning. Develop a clear plan for your self-publishing journey. Master marketing. Optimize keywords, create compelling book descriptions, and build your author brand. Feedback loop. Seek and utilize constructive feedback to improve your work continuously. Efficiency focus. Prioritize high impact tasks to maximize productivity. Mindfulness and confidence. Cultivate mindfulness and confidence to overcome challenges. Social media engagement. Actively engage on social media to build a readership. Effective time management. Use strategies like batching and time blocking to optimize your schedule. Till next time.